One of the fastest ways to earn free money in Forex trading is through bonuses, and the best thing about bonuses is that you can get them almost everywhere. Welcome bonuses are amongst the most popular, being accessible to everyone who joins a trading platform. In this video, I am going to show you the best Forex brokers that offer welcome bonus and how to withdraw it. First of all, I will show you the list of Forex brokers and how much they offer. At the end of this video, I will show you how to withdraw your bonuses successfully, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and I will teach you how to withdraw your bonuses. Best Forex blockers welcome bonus. InstaForex bonus, $1,000. RoboForex bonus, $30. F's bonus, $140. X bonus, 100% of your deposit. Tickmill bonus, $30. EMP's bonus, $100. Amarkers bonus, 100% of your deposit. World Forex bonus, 100% of every deposit. Forex for Ya bonus, 100% of your first deposit. Can I withdraw the bonus funds? The answer is yes and no. Withdrawing the bonus funds is not permitted, but the brokers allows you to withdraw any profit you earn while trading with the bonus funds. So try your luck, trade with the bonus funds, and possibly you will make some profit. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe.